What's going on, guys? Timo Productions here. Appreciate you guys subscribing. Thanks for liking the channel. Thanks for checking back to it. Right now I'm working outside here. I'm putting headers on the Green Giant, my 96 f250 long bed, heavy duty. I'm gonna make kind of a video here of doing it. It's pretty self-explanatory, but you gotta take the exhaust manifolds off on both sides and then take the exhaust off. My exhaust is not stock, it's kind of rigged up. I'll make a video of taking that off too. What I'm doing right now before it starts to rain out is I'm getting all the exhaust bolts out. Literally all you gotta do is take the bolts out. They are very rusty. Mine did not break yet. All the driver's side ones came out. That's one of them. I mean, just look at how bad that is. Thank God it did not break. They felt like they were going to. Needless to say, I'm not reusing these bolts. They were not great, but they did not break. This one amazed me the most. And where these threads are at is from this nut. I was astonished, dude. This nut right here actually came off of those threads right here. But yeah, so far though, all the nuts and bolts are coming off, amazingly enough. On my truck, on the passenger side here though, part of the reason I'm doing, well actually the whole reason I'm doing exhaust headers is this side is missing a whole bunch of the bolts. They are just gone, missing, fell out, broke off, I don't know. But that's one that's gone. I am not reusing my EGR on this side here. If you do headers, you gotta take this EGR tube off. I got headers without the EGR, so because my emission stuff is already deleted down there. So I'm gonna do a full emissions delete on this too and make a video of that too. But for right now, this is like kind of like a part one of headers on a 351 Windsor EFI. So you know the way I'm doing it is pull the exhaust manifold bolts out first. Just when you drop the manifolds down, I'm gonna take all the spark plug wires off too. But it's gonna be kind of like part two, I guess. I gotta go in for dinner here in a minute, but yeah, basically all you're gonna do is take off all the exhaust manifold bolts, take the CGR pipe off, and then where the manifolds bolt down, I'm saving the exhaust off of this truck for this truck here, because this truck here has that rigged up exhaust. I don't like it. This Y pipe is still good, so I'm gonna take the Y pipe off of this, put on there with this muffler so it's quieter, because the muffler's on there, it's so loud, I don't like it. I'm having no luck selling this truck at all, so I'm gonna end up just keeping it and running it for my winter beater, and then I'm gonna restore this truck into a decent truck to have for nice drum. I'm getting new fenders for it and stuff, and then new cab corners and what have you. But I'm gonna keep you guys updated though. Appreciate you guys that like, subscribe, comment. It's appreciated. I want to give a shout out to a couple of people, but I forget what their names are. One guy on here, Joshua. I think his name is like Heminitz. I want to say your name is. I know it's Joshua, but your last name is kind of a hard one to pronounce. But that guy is cool as hell. Check him out. I'll put a link in the description to his channel. Very, very cool guy. Great channel, great videos. So shout out to him. Really cool dude. Also shout out to everybody else that subscribes. I really do appreciate it. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Take care. Thank you.